Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I got 3 power chairs right here by Travel Buggy. And if you're looking for a fold-up power wheelchair, there's a lot of them out there. Travel Buggy has 3 power chairs that I think you'll like, and they're all for different reasons. Now, right here is the Dash, the City, and the Aerolux. This one is the heaviest duty of them all. This holds up to like 395 pounds. But the cool part about it is you can extend these arms out. So if you need more armrest in between the arms, you can add the extension to make it wider, which I don't really know of any other power chair that allows that. It does fold up. It is going to be the heaviest of the 3. It has the largest wheels of the 3, and it's about 65 pounds when it folds up. Now you can take the batteries out. It has 2 batteries, one on each side, and it gives you up to 15 miles. And you can charge this separate from the chair. So you can leave this in the car, you can take this inside. But the reason why you would go with the City, if you need something more weight capacity and you need to expend the arms. Right here's the Dash. This is going to be the least expensive one. It's a very nice unit. It's going to be very comparable to the Pride Carbon and the Golden Cricket. It holds, I think, 275. The wheels are a little bit smaller and it also folds up, but it's pretty affordable compared to the Cricket and the Carbon. I think it's like $22.99. This is about $3,000. It's about 42 pounds, just so you know. So if you can manage 42 pounds, you'll like this unit over the Carbon and the Cricket. I'm sorry, because I'm a big Golden dealer and I love Pride products. You also can remove the battery on this like this and take this inside to charge it. All of these are TSA friendly and approved. Now over here is your Aerolux. This is a fully carbon fiber power wheelchair with an X series fold design. Compared to these that fold flat down, this folds like a wheelchair. This thing is super cool, super nice, has a digital display, and it's only like, I think, 30 something pounds, and you can remove this down too. Now to fold this up better, you always remove these cushions. It comes off pretty easy. And if you want to, you can take the leg rest off, but this is very, very light. So when you're going to buy a power chair and you're looking up for a fold-up one, and you're looking at weight capacities, don't always go by that, because sometimes between the arms, they're too narrow. They can hold up to a certain weight, but they're really not good to max the weight out on anything you buy. But if you're going to buy something, you need something very quick, super duper light, you're probably gonna like the Aerolux. If you need a heavy duty power wheelchair that folds up, you're gonna like this City. If you want to stay kind of more of affordable, but you can lift about 42, 45 pounds, check out the Dash. Travel Buggy is a great company to work with, and we're bringing these to you, so I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 803-926-2224, or visit us online at AffordableMedicalUSA.com.